Good morning, students. How are you all? I think you all are fine. Okay. Now, today we will continue our chapter number 1 with the exercise. First of all, we will solve our inside the chapter exercise. This exercise is on page number 8, students. Just carefully look. Page number 8. Okay. Assess yourself. This is the exercise. State if the following statements are true or false, and then you have to correct those false statements. Number 1. A group of cells of common origin that perform similar function form an organ. Students, write there that this statement is false. What? This statement is false. And instead of, in this statement, instead of this organ, you have to write tissue. 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 Okay, students? Now, second, meristematic cells are small and thin-walled. Students, this is true statement. So, no need to correct it. Now, third, permanent tissues are immature in nature. This is false statement. What? False statement. And what you have to do? Instead of immature, you have to write mature. M-A-T-U-R-E. Mature. Now, fourth, in plants, prepared food is translocated by the phloem tissue. Students, this is correct statement. It is true. Now, fifth, xylem is an example of simple permanent tissue. This statement is false. And what is the correction in this statement? Instead of the word simple, you have to write complex. C-O-M-P-L-E-X. Complex. Now, point sixth, collenchyma tissue provides mechanical strength to the stem. Students, this is correct statement. It is true. Now, seventh point. Permanent tissues are located on growing tips of roots, stem and leaves. This is false statement. This is false statement. And what is the correction in this? Instead of this permanent, you have to write meristematic. M-E-R-I-S. Meristematic. T-E-M-A-T-I-C. Meristematic. Now, eighth, cells of parenchyma tissues are dead, thin-walled, with small vacuoles. Students, this is also false statement. And you have to write the correct. Instead of dead, write living. L-I-V-I-N-G. Living. Then, instead of thin-walled, write thick. T-H-I-C-K. Thick-walled. Then, instead of small, you have to write large. 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 Okay, students. So, come on now. Page number. Come on page number now 10. Come on page number 10. Select the correct option. First, recalling ideas we are on recalling ideas. Select the correct options. A group of similar cells which perform a specific function is called what? Yes, students, what is that called? That is called tissue. So mark on a tissue. A plant tissue that found at the tips of the shoot is the apical meristem. This answer, apical meristem. Now, third, the epidermis of a plant part is composed of what? Parenchyma tissue. What? Parenchyma tissue. Now next, fourth, tissues found in growing regions of the plant are meristematic tissues. Next, sieve tubes and companion cells are components of what? Phloem. Okay, students. Now we will continue. Sixth question. Examples of vascular tissues in plants are what? Here, xylem only, phloem only, or both xylem and phloem? Yes, right here, xylem and phloem both. The cell wall of sclerenchyma tissue have deposits of what? Lignin, pectin, cellulose or chitin? Answer is lignin. Then next, the water conducting tissue of the plants is called what? Xylem, phloem, trachea or cambium? Correct answer is xylem. Next, phloem in the plant perform the functions of what? Conduction of water, conduction of food, photosynthesis or providing support? Student, answer is conduction of food. Now next, 10th question. Which one of the following is made of dead cells? Tracheids, vessels, sclerenchyma or all of them? Correct answer is all of them. Next, permanent tissues differ from meristematic tissues in attainment of definite shape or inability to divide or performing a distinct function or all of them? Yes, answer is what? All of them. Okay, students. Now, we will continue with fill in the blanks with the correct option. Pits are found in the walls of, what is the correct answer, students? Sclerenchyma cells. Correct answer is sclerenchyma. Second, cells are living, elongated and thicked at the corner in dash tissues. What is the answer? Answer is collenchyma. Next, plant tissues which have thin walled cells with abundant cytoplasm are called dash tissues. Permanent or meristematic? Students, answer is meristematic. Answer is meristematic. Next, the food prepared by the leaves is translocated through the dash tissue in plants? Xylem or phloem? Answer is phloem. Answer is phloem. Next. Next, the water is conducted from the soil to the aerial parts of the plants through the dash tissue. What is the answer? Xylem tissue. What is the answer? Xylem tissue. Now, a plant tissue which do not possesses living protoplasm at maturity is called dash. What is the answer? Sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma. In plants, the organ that make food is leaf. Water moves upwards inside the plant through the xylem. A dash tissue is made up of cells that are incapable of cell division. What is the answer, students? Answer is permanent. Permanent tissue. So students, for today till here, we will continue tomorrow in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Thank you.